unimsa omse kusase fo ne mamprusi fo ninti omun krumpo yelusu wo upper east. They should go back to history. Kufo time yenya zero. Ewo kusase fo no emu. So obekaya how kumsin how Yakubu onu na so no ye kusase ni onu kra no wani on the take it as a independent candidate and na chiro obedwane MPP. If you onu Kufo time yenya zero, Akufo at the time yenya zero. Yes, they should go back and look at the figures. In this obiti no ka say na baumianti ya wene wo kusasi fo no ho a omon kofa figures no since Kufo time 2000 elections no mon fan compare Kufo adon so ahina enya ewo 6 constituencies na ye kusasi fo de no ye lusu ni nyina. So it is not as if say sebe baumia ofi north nti and now e man prosinti na kusasi fo na anto aba no. They don't vote for us anyway.
Yeah, and yet, sir, and Tokanumpo na Edesa, Adiwe, Adiaba, Baumia Afam, Yadi or what the dad.
Eh, what the dada. Na Baumia Crompono, Omuntoquano Crompono, a satisfied Baho, Nan, Nimpapa Crackers on in Mammy Chimpra.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Sisters in Kruma time, and ASANTE Toquano started here. People should read. Oh, I know as a young guys no more school no policies in tea now or to be gum. They should go and read. Nkrumah time and no kusasi for ne manproof for Tokwano ebaye. Yeah.
So why are they relating it to Baumia?
That is the more reason why I'm here to debunk some of those things.
I see. But say wouldn't be about Nipabi. Na umu se ensema manfo eka about sanipan anymore. How do you feel?
I say me cry the BM. Me cry me wa ha me former chairman. Hwe sebe nkwara kra omutipen kwa nu me mampo no. Omutimi yiye me. Ensema me nya mpo no omukato me so keke. Okan wi o se me kan hu so ma edin.
Why is that part of politics?
Be me no makache party for ni say. Especially about me uncle for say, let's remain focused. Some say Kafra, Tesukoko, will be a no more. So, na me my quiet no. It doesn't mean sense some now can no crack. But I don't want to be distracted. So I say, I don't want to be distracted because when we are a human papa and dash on sano, and now no be a control we now de tree, now home tokwa, a de channel. No, I am smart than those issues. Inti makache boys and say, let's remain focused. Modia monka nyoma baumia senya mibi ya dune tumana obitimi aye ni nya waye no dada. But enye obi kwata baby na wonya fufu bi dia na o me na ochocho ni mana usu di akire. You don't do that.
Distractions.
Distraction. And no ebi wo wa deliberate. So mami tro we nto omo so na je omubu ofu no mo respondo na ye me de wunyame se nkwara no mbe sade me I don't even know me personal kompono I don't read most of the things or hear the audios, meaning those times I will spend time to plan about send a party no can call because who position now among for complaining. Why should I spend my energy on some of these trivial issues? I don't think it's right.
But this attacks and then insults on employing for within party circles, political parties in general. I don't know, they are very rampant.
I am not a bimu fee say, Sebikafra, the more I will be deeper in Biatem, and the more I would the Okobe be a wood diatem. Nature say, oh, ye popular. But I never want or move you a fin say. So obeying you party no. That should be also better say over pay position be. That thing will come and hunt you. Because overdo level be no. Nkwara be nya we no, they will come and ask you say so there was a time who can say okay Facebook me share Facebook say nkofo say o say chairman suppose you grown one in the constituency na obepede wa ha na enti say constituency ai you so ha me me appoint Dr. Free e den na ye amfanya no so okọ 4 times do I have to go and make references to Nseman Kofo Kafano? And it is disrespectful with all due respect. Say, Papa no krompo no, Papa is so close. So you don't have to write these things. So, me on Facebook, Semina Nanka, I will bring it down, pull it down.
What did you see? And who wrote that thing?
I don't want to mention names,
because
but the point is that it is exactly precisely what I'm saying. So be say a question about
yes, I do agree. So, but in your response, by mentioning the name of Dr. Kokofri,
if you want me to, no, what this story in the Bible, I say he was even booed by his own people. So what does he want here? And I think it is not right.
Yeah, because you said Nipa Pakura Adamfo and honorable say Chambers.
Of course, and not proper by
yes.
Was a young professor doctor.
Yes.
And na ada a phone be about intimate ma mura. So only woman call Doctor Hotel. And na unfortunately almost by if you say Dr. Kofi. Nti o se chairman sambuzu kan say ene wo kwa obefa ho be say Adeakyia me ne nkasa say wotumi fa ho na wontumi amfa ho so ko twro we na so hu say be doctor ni bakra atwro we ya enye de papa the gentleman must be called to order.
Wow. You made this uncle actually, but now to the dive deep. I don't know.
Deep dive.
A deep dive. I don't know. Focus in here. What's saying about constituency debut? As you dive in deep and then you want to fish.
Yeah.
One more. To say a deserve near a bit me Obama candidate. I mean, so far, polling stations by saying what me have visited, and I say within the region, no. But I want to say what do na say wo ye adwuma ho na let's take to you also person.
Yeah, say yen in faces.
Okay.
Every day be a obi e beko.
Okay.
And no I call abuduam ewiase nsunsua anhwam and junase and ye yoso.
Okay.
Yeah, nti and so yes and the ni another direction. Nti by third day na ye now reports aminya fee. All the coincidence say they are doing very well. And probably almost bring me report. Maybe on call. They take the numbers. Our more 10 year. Say be a no almost 50. Nipa for the train by now they have to find out 7 na manu. Now a boy so 2 coin. A boy so say or corner from 20 me. I'm a boy so no yare. So you need that statistics no ebe boy nti omo na omo ama no ye je omo din ye je omo contact so that we talk to them, because we are not going to leave anything to chance. We want to make sure you do proper campaign. Yeah, and make us say you are not doing firefighting campaign. What is say je bia so ha na odimika no wakohu nipa no na odum no na ye wo de. What is it? Any campaign, sir. Meet them, tell them, explain. As someone make a channel pay about a Siba Umian Fabu Sama. So we are convinced that is not it from the north. Now, Ebimuso Sabi, and someone can say,
oh, me, sir, the very day that I heard Honorable Brian Achampon raising that thing. So I decided so Mayor Ayikakra to me share Eastern region, and then we share on one Kayaso the constituency. On
Kayaso constituency, Belmia when is Zongos. Yes. Oh, say you are drawn attention.
In the na I am Ayikakra. So I was asking myself a lot of questions, but one who said Momo Juma we say one year frontline politician now, I say, when never more. We are cautious. And to what we do here, no, one reason so now also so now.
Oh, there be some we journalists, Kafro, Obi Kasim Bita, what you moon and Chinwa. You can go and research.
Yeah, oh, I did.
And find out. Until so, Brian Champonan Kasa, ni constituency, our winning, Bomian winning zongos or. The other entry will be Kasa Bomian. Wama Yalusu Zongos. It is not true. And now, Nyankofo can say, Sebe, we a Srimni, and that's why a Muslim. In TNC say to Abamano. This particular statement, Nyankofo can, very, very dangerous. Dangerous for even as a country, for our national security concern, Namekan.
Tribal something.
Yes. Inti yemfa say we say sebe we Muslim. Inti ano we say inti man people for to Abama na. Wow, the way akani na ye you as flag bearer. Ubetumi akọ esem ho say okọ campaign. Question me bis ubetumi akọ ho. Say say yes for the ye nizevo. Inti man na me pese I find it difficult to even talk about it because and yet it is not good. And yes, because of politics, including Chichimu, Biba, no more Mukasano. I don't think they have sat down to envisage the consequences of it Mediama MPP. Whatever I say, Muslims no more MPP. Any a symphono. If they decide not to vote for MPP,
they also have a say.
They also have a say.
Yes, one more vote back. What is it? Also vote back.
Precisely.
Sure.
Now we will say, "I'm here, and can people better to cry, and we can't come back to power because don't forget, even in our present state as a party, both NDC and MPP, no, Obia no which me and know his own strength. So
oh, I see.
Nobody.
Are you sure?
I am telling you. Go and check the figures.
2028.
Obianu why and yet 2020 some kwana meko even the previous elections.
Oh, okay.
On the average we hope around 45 to 50% for both parties. Until say election you target what you call the floating voters. And on the however first time voter or register on no say nubia onim baby or this a approaching no nti omo na ometimi aboa wo na wa woni wo party no ya timi awoni na wa anya ne sa na wo pese wo yesa wo pam obi afi party mu na we do fi ha nti nsese de ne ba na nkofo anto aba na se na wo lose election right from day one.
So you have to do everything possible
to bring
everyone
everybody. And then people that make us say, and say within MPP, no, you did a attempt because of this primaries. You see, at the end of the day, whoever becomes the emerges as the presidential candidate, we have to come together. We all have to work together. Now, we didn't panatema na you could do baby na so say, okay, muntram baby, mamsum baby. Like we are saying, nipa no one vote. Professor Amin saw the 23,000 and winning 2008. In the politics, there Obia vote to win here. In me, I don't discount it. He say, we move the moon here. Well, you can one vote, grab them all. Where he, for example, so or the on it was Grover, and yet 3 votes, and all they win here. So it is very important. Say, yes, say, we free her. And now wait to say, and near at him did dear no near that it was we na one come one moment. How can you win?
But some their doors.
Yeah.
As you said, say we focusing on the one casa room coffee. Ubi biano ebecum.
Yeah.
There's a debiano now would near a wing here no etchy.
Yes.
The person one still focusing on the things you do. Emma one casa we just as you said. I think sir, you are on point. But the negatives about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there, makes me like I said, doso.
does, but unim say no in a way no is even though dysfunctional, but I can tell you say there's some element of good in the sense say on says media minim said Dr. Baumia will win this election.
Oh, that is you.
Yeah.
Because no one will go into an election and say something that may lose.
Me say obe winning.
Yes.
National obe winning. There's no doubt about that. Now, in some way this for Kafano since 2020. I know Mayor Frabera Crano. Omu Kansempi say as a vice president. Omu Dina Tema 2024. And put the nature say I do level be very high. Enti sesiano ye ko 2028 nsem na kafa no hunya are they going to repeat those things? I don't,
if only it yielded results.
It will not. Share ye de be mahama. If you remember 2016 ye nsem be na yan kan fa mahama. 2020 MPP for the same thing and mahama to say ye can boy do mahama lucy 2024 election na started say ye kaka sansem biom no Ghana for catch say enye we na ye bedi o nipa na kom dem no ni ba bia wesu opadwuma ye sabe electricity bill and roof ensuo boiden nyom okodwoma nyoma edin now asako jan say as one city say as one see etia as one see etintin voter no asa wabre say wuti sansem no so tiasia so Baumia no oba mahama no sansem na ekeka no amfa. The same thing is going to happen in 2028 in some of this for kafa Baumia unya no we repeat ya ganyan na Ghana for beti.
So if the Ghanaians are ready for sa and some dana the chance are bright.
Precisely. And until I may draw delegates no attention say so okofa new candidate bar okofa new candidate bar efe no mo so behwe ni tetia ni tenten
negatives are
what
can't it reminds me of time our former president Roland the late eba Manshiana or can another don't call who myself or say what is his name that short man what did he do
so only need this so that was that
yes
it is all of a new candidate bar efe no nkofo ni nsem a waka dada
yes
ni awaka ni awonka ye omude ni nyina beden ebeto no so na ya ye ebi at that time your party manifesto your messages no ewu ma ye de ma Ghana phone na fe ye jai no ato ho na nipa no nsem o mo ka no
the negativities
yes
and mo be yi sad ni
and say ye defend so can say nyaw na can say nyaw na odi oba we atem nyaw na kan we ha we say on nti e basa ayi Ghana for kranti asem na ye pese ye ton ma wo mu no baba umia de already o maka sese a o mabre
they say champion economist e be wi asen zado akwakoye digital man
o mu keka ni nyina onze la asem e catch you say sa good for oil ni good purchase se ba umia no start side no me can dollar no asem kire so be kai a me ba ha the last time se me catch you say me adwuma me ye no me delay in exchange rate pa me catch you say dollar na omu celebrate
that time na 10.7
10 point something in fact me beba me transfer be it was bank 12.65
now currently
a bank
yes
12.65
yes.
but oko abochi ho a 14 cedis last me catch you so be kai am catch you say ni omu ye na te se wa sense o bucket mu now the cork atu na wa press cork no
uje mu besan ba
se unsa begine nti uje mu a ebesan ba and that's what is happening now nti Baumia no what they good for oil no buy no Ema yenya Bank of Ghana to good. Nti ema yenya sika ewo ho reserves ewo ho. Ena ye free so na ndc phone by no mbedi so mfaso. They started using about $2.4 billion to show up the strength of the city. And I am a phone who am no munjai. Muntiminyesa. You should allow the forces of supply, demand supply, and determine the actual strength of the city. Now say why export new man kwa bridge? How can you get dollars? And I say foreign exchange. When can say me print dollars because I know currency. And that is one of the year but me at the buyer and home for swana ye.
But one thing about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Made Biaro, me okay with the things that he's been able to do for Mother Ghana had to do with the interoperability.
Mobile money,
yes. Because I can sit here in my office and then do all the necessary transactions or send me credit must be given that person.
Yes. Oh, I know you're no man now conform for my dream and so. Before say babano. Now momo it was 97,000 people. And now mobile money
platform.
As you speak, it's 900,000. Which means Baumia has added over 800,000, created jobs, 800,000 for people. Until so one first I didn't know, Uncle Bibi to me, I could talk umbrella. I could tell her say, me mobile money. It's Baumia no de buy. Until now, can no, yeah, you say,